Okay, so let me show you how you can make this trending video where you have a pretty baby girl dancing so accurately to Igbo song. Hey! This video was made using Kling AI motion control. It's an AI video model that you can use to swap characters in the video. So now let me show you the original video that this character was swapped from. Look at it. Now if I place it side by side, you can see that the cartoon character is mimicking exactly what the actual girl is doing in the video. So what you can do, first thing you do is generate the image of your character. So you can use Nano Banana or ChatGPT image for it. So if you don't have Gemini AI, you need to download it. So go and download your Gemini AI, and then you can copy this prompt that I have here, generate a 3D baby girl character dressed in Igbo traditional attire, and then this is what this is the image that Nano Banana generated. So open it, and then you can decide to save the image. If you want to use ChatGPT, you need to download the app as well. ChatGPT. So download the app. I pasted the same prompt, and this is the result I got. And I like this one a lot more. So this is what I ended up using. Next thing is to download the Kling AI app as well. Kling AI. When you download the app, they'll give you some free credits, and you select AI video to choose motion control. Then you select the image. So I'm going to select the image from my device. Then you also select the video that you want to use. So I'm going to select from camera roll, and I already have the video here. So I'm going to use this video. Good. So then it's going to upload. So you can type in a prompt here describing any extra thing that you want, but I didn't type any prompt. All I did was just leave it like that. And then you click generate. So they're asking me to pay because I've exhausted my free credits. But if you sign up newly, you're going to get a certain number of free credits, and then you can be able to generate your videos. Another thing that you can do to reduce the amount of credits that you need to spend is to make sure that you choose the standard mode and one variation so that it doesn't cost you much. Another thing to note that if you're using the free credits they give to you, it's going to take a really long time for the videos to generate. Let me just show you my own first iteration. If I go to my asset and look at the video that I've been trying to generate since, this is over 3 hours and the video is still generating. That is another platform that has Kling AI that I normally use for my AI automation, which I've already paid for. So let me show you guys. So this is File AI, and this is my own video that I was able to generate using the Kling AI motion control. So anyway, this is how you can do it on your phone, but let me play the video so that you can see the final output. Let me